Hey guys, I'm back here again with another video. Now today I'm going to be reacting to a little compilation dealing with mukbangers. It's called Everything Wrong with Mukbangs. Disclaimer, I got a little dirty secret. I actually enjoy watching mukbangs to a certain extent, depending on what they're doing and how it goes. Like, you know, like if you're talking too much, smacking too much, I can't really deal with that. But, you know, I do have a dirty pleasure of watching food on YouTube. I just want to let that be known. Comment down below. I know the video just started, but comment down below if you watch mukbangs on YouTube or if you like watching people eat food or even cook food, because I know I do. I'm a fat girl at heart, okay? Like, I'm always on YouTube at night watching those type of videos. But I've been rambling long enough, so let me go ahead and get my promos in. Really quickly, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, thumbs up the video because it's going to be great. And check out the description box. Link to my Twitch channel is in the description. Follow me on Twitch at hey_Mushu. Now, let me go ahead and get to the video. I got my headphones here, so I'm just going to put these on. Okay. Wait, they're still moving? Okay, wait. Okay, so off the rip, I know who this mukbanger is. This is, I believe this is Soy Yawn. I think this is Soy Yawn. She has like millions of YouTube subscribers and she get like millions of views on her mukbangs. Specifically because she eats weird food. And the definition of weird food in her eyes is food that's still alive. I've even seen this girl eat real bugs. Like, Soy Yawn is her YouTube channel. If you're interested in watching like the weird shit that she eats a lot of stuff live, and I'm gonna let y'all know right now, that shit that's moving on that plate, that's not the business. That's not. People really be doing anything out here. People really be doing anything out here for views. She's really eating live, still alive octopus. First of all, bitch, you look dumb as hell. You don't look like you're having a good time. You don't look like you're enjoying the meal. The meal is literally running from you right now. And then the shit that's on your face is fighting you because you're killing it while you're eating it. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. I can't take it. I can't take it. I can't. Somebody let me know when it's over. Oh, good.
My wife is the best thing that ever happened to me. You know, it's so fucking cliche, but I'm telling you. Oh.
Okay, so off the rip, I know who this is because I watched some of his mukbangs. This is Avocado, but I'm not sure what the fuck all of that is. First I thought it was bread, but let me see if he tells me this.
There's fucking cracks on my curtains.
What is that?
Like, who the fuck is that?
My nose is fucking clogged now.
Trying to eat some durian.
Are those like extra large kolaches? Why is he crying? I have so many questions. Why does he have a shirt off? Okay, this must have been like when he just started mukbangs, because he doesn't live like that or act like that now. But this has got to be like when he first started mukbangs, because he's in a hotel room. Like, I want to know, like, why is he crying? What is he eating? Why is he crying? Because he has to eat it. So many questions. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. 9 onions. Raw onions. Raw red onions. Interesting. Okay. She definitely just gagged, like throw up gag.
Prove on myself. Oh. Oh my god, I need orange juice. Oh, I need milk. No. Okay, we're gonna do this.
Good.
Let's go.
That looks good.
Start.
Okay, so I actually don't know who this is, but let's see what happens. Them noodles look good though, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my god. It's burning my throat. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. No. Yes. No.
Yes, no?
Ow, ow, ow.
Let me guess, milk.
Ow.
Let me guess, milk. Yes, it's milk. Deep throating food. No, not a man. Oh, that Coke looks so delicious though. Oh my goodness. Yo. Okay, I wasn't expecting for them to say deep throating food and then it... Let's just watch the clip. No. Comment down below if you eat your chicken like that. Like you eat your chicken like, I don't know, like head first. If you're a team head first, let me know. Because I mean, I hold my chicken like this, like this, you know, like this. And I bite it from the side, but I'm pretty sure he's not the only odd individual out of 7.5 billion people on this planet that eat their chicken like this. So let me know how you eat your chicken, because that's a new one. I've never seen that before, ever. I Acting like they've never eaten anything before. That looks so good. Wow, I'm hungry now.
No way. No way, it's wrong.
Ain't no way no pizza and ranch is that fucking good.
Ugh.
Dude,
So
it's not that great. You're eating fucking Pizza Hut.
heavily.
It's Pizza Hut. Eating whole animal, but actually eating only 1% of it. Whoa, 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 wait, 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 wait. Yeah, I'm sick. This is why I don't eat pork. Look at the no, flip it over. I see that black shit. Yo, this is why I don't eat pork. Yo, I don't eat pork unless it's bacon. That's the only pork I'll eat. But that looks so disgusting. Look at the black shit. It doesn't even look appealing. Save the rest for the family. No, bitch, that shit was actually disgusting and you're gonna throw it in the trash. Nobody's eating that shit. You didn't even eat it. What is this? A worm? Eating raw meat.
Here. It was very soft on day one. That will be my lunch. Some
Do y'all see how pink that is? Look at the egg in her cup. She's eating a raw egg with it. Oh, well, yo, I'm so glad I did not come across that side of mukbangs because
beef fat. I always like to begin with the fat for hydration.
for hydrate, drink water. Water.
It's so good.
I'll drink it for you. Don't worry about it. I'll drink it for you.
Wow. It's very easy to chew and to swallow.
What about cooking it? It'll be no. Guys, we just lost one. We just lost a sister. Out this bitch eating raw meat for YouTube. so the video just randomly cut off, so that this is the end of the video. But comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this compilation of mukbangs that are, you know, apparently wrong in the mukbang community. To be honest, I didn't really see too many people get a pass in this compilation. Everybody that was in this compilation, everybody that was in this compilation was meant to be in it. From the raw meat to the live animals, to the fully cooked pork, the deep throat and the damn drumstick. Like, let me know what you all think. This video is already long enough, so I'm not going to chat too much. Don't forget to check the description box for my Twitch channel. Follow me over there. Again, hey_Mushu. I'm gonna go ahead and go because, you know, your girl been talking too much. But I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.